Alright, so in this video I'm going to continue my process of building my new website for my benefit, of course, and ultimately for your benefit as well, to see how I create content that is connected already on my website onlinebusinessviews.com to a revenue source, which in my case is $4.99 Pro, and that revenue source could be the same for you if you want to be a reseller for $4.99 Pro, or if you just want to create content to promote some other product or service. And so I'm going to continue with adding another video to my onlinebusinessviews.com website. If you watched the prior video, you would see that we had actually done a little quick Google search and found that one of my posts, I only have, I believe at this point, 3 posts on the website, 3 different search phrase topics. And the second one, I think it was already on page 3 in the Google search results. So online business views. Excuse me if I can type. onlinebusinessviews.com. Alright, so in the last video we added this little short article about Callfire. Okay, and I showed you how to create the post and write up a short little, I guess I actually finished some of this writing after the video. I just made it pretty short, as you can see here. Again, we're utilizing a search phrase. In this case, this post is about a company called Callfire. They're an auto phone broadcasting tool, a web-based phone broadcaster. So Callfire is what I call my root keyword, my root, like a tree root, or the main keyword phrase that I'm targeting, that I want people that are searching on Google. I want someone that types in Callfire reviews or Callfire information, some variations that include the root keyword. I want my result to show up somewhere in the search results, them to click on that result, come and read my content here, watch my short video that I did here, and ultimately click my resource box, which I actually forgot to put a resource box, a clickable link here. However, they can opt into my page right here. So I'll do that as well. I'll add my little clickable link at the end here where I basically say whatever my pitch is, okay, for $4.99 Pro. And I believe it says something along the lines of click here to see the internet's most affordable online marketing training, something along those lines. Alright, so in any event, the article that showed up in the search results after just a couple of days, I believe, was Screencast-O-Matic. Alright, we did a little Google search just to do a recap here for Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm not wasting time here, and I think I did reviews. I want you guys to continue to see over and over again the purpose behind. So there's page 1. I don't see it anywhere because it would show up kind of pink that it had already been clicked on. Alright, so we'll go to page 2. I want you guys to continue to see the purpose of creating this content and then the reward that you get for creating it. Alright, there's page 2, and I'm pretty sure it was on page 3. And here it is right here, okay? Whoops. Screencast-O-Matic review, online business views. That's my website, as you recall, on page 3. Okay, and it's a pretty straightforward process. The next thing will be to rank for one of the other posts that I had on here. Callfire I just added, alright, so that's not going to be there. Recent should be right here. OptimizePress. So OptimizePress is the plugin, the paid plugin that I use for basically all of my projects, including this website. It's pretty popular, so I'm going to have a little bit harder time ranking for OptimizePress, at least for free. But, you know, it's only been a few days. I guess it's all one word the way they do it. OptimizePress, I don't know, reviews. I think that's what I titled it. And again, I would scroll through here and just kind of see if it might be there. Now this is a little bit, you don't really need to do this, but it does feel good. Here I am. Oh, wait a second. No, that's the Optimized Press website. Whoops. It does feel good when you see something coming from your hard work. No, that's the support desk. And I'm not going to go too far into the search results, page 4. I'll go one more page. What the hey? It's only been a few days since I added it. But that is the goal here. So let's get right into it. I'm going to add a new post. It's a video that I've already done. I like the combination of doing some written content that we set up properly. Remember the thumb rule? The keyword is going to be sprinkled approximately once for every 100 words in your article or your write-up or your review, whatever it's going to be. Now, some of my stuff that I've written here is not even 100 words long, but that's just the basic rule of thumb to follow. You don't want to overuse or spam the keyword that you're after inside your content. But I like to use a combination of having written content and then also connecting a video, having a video about it, okay, and then adding that video to the screen too, because video drives everything these days, and it's so easy with YouTube and free tools like Screencast-O-Matic that I use for all my videos. All right, and that's you guys know where to find that inside the members area under the software and tools is the link for Screencast-O-Matic. It's totally free. All right, at least the version that I use. So I have a video that you have all seen, I'm sure, which is choosing a domain name for your website. This is one of those long tail keyword phrases that I kind of like. Choosing a domain name for your website. All right, and I know this video is about also choosing a niche, but I'm going to go ahead and create a post inside. So I logged into my admin panel for onlinebusinessviews.com. You would log into yourwebsite.com/admin most likely, or log in and log into your admin area to create a new post. I'm going to go over to posts and I'm going to click on add new. Alright, I could create pages and I could use Optimized Press because I have that loaded in here to use some of their templates that are really cool. But right now I'm just creating posts that I want to be in a chronological order as they show up on here. Okay, so I'm just going to choose add a new post. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name this post exactly the keyword phrase that I want to go after. And this is a long tail one that I'm pretty confident, even though it's super popular, it's so long that I'm pretty sure I can rank for this. And can you picture a person, a human being, typing into Google, maybe they would type how to choose a domain name for your website or choosing a domain name for your website. But for the purpose of this, I'm going to go ahead and do choosing a domain name for your website. I'm going to name the post that. Okay, so here I go. Choosing a domain name for your website. Cool? All right. I don't think I have a picture. I got an idea. If I go back to my YouTube, this is one of my accounts, okay, that I'm going to save this picture here. Watch this. So I go to the thumbnail and I can save the thumbnail image. Save image as. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Choosing a domain name for your website. Some people say that even this, naming the image, can help in your rankings. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And I'll show you the reason why. Because as I'm creating this post, sorry about all the tabs if it's confusing you. I'm on add a new post. Okay. And I'm going to go here and just title this choosing a domain name for your website. Alright, and I'll come back later and write all this in here. Just remember that we're going to use that phrase maybe one or two more times throughout the written content. Okay, I want to come down here on the right hand side where it says featured image, and I want to set a featured image. Okay, and I may actually even, this is another trick, I'm not really crazy about that little thumbnail image. I might go here and go free domain name images. See what comes up here. You know what? I actually have one on my desktop. Let's go back. I want to upload. Let me do this again for you so you don't get confused. We're going to go to feature image and click set featured image. I'm going to go to upload files. Unless I have it in here already. I think I maybe do. I'm looking for a little image that has something to do that's relevant to websites, domain names. I thought I had something in here. Like all my images here. Pretty cool, right? I could use one of these, I suppose. I could use any of these. A little key. A lot of these images came with OptimizePress. Some of them are images that I've uploaded. Let's see. I'm gonna speed this up here a little in a minute. That's weird. Thought I had something in here. But let me go to upload files. I'm gonna select files. Make sure I'm on my desktop. And I was pretty sure there's that one that I just saved, but I don't really like that. I could always just use that and change something later. You might recognize some of these images inside our website, inside 499 Pro. OptimizePress, Snagit. Oh, here we go. Website. Let's use that one. I select it. It's over here. I believe it's rendering or something. There it is. And I'm going to click down on the bottom here that says set feature image. Alright. I'm going to make this. I have a plugin for reviews. You know, so people can actually, you know what? No review, because it's not really a review. It's just a little post. I want to add my video, okay? So I'm going to go into my YouTube account. This is the video. I have it right here. I'm going to click on it. It starts playing. I pause it. I right click over to video and copy video URL. Left click. So right click and then left click to copy the video URL. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on add media. Alright, it's gonna bring up my a second. Did I do something wrong here, guys? See, I make mistakes too. I mean, you know what I mean? Where is what I wanted to add here? Add element. Okay, so I have elements inside OptimizePress. And there's so many cool things that I could add to this page. Audio players, bullet blocks, buttons. I can put the date and time. A countdown timer. Have you seen those, you know, on websites? You know, check it out where you can choose the different countdown timers. Guys, you can do all this stuff just same way I do and just makes you look professional. Look at these countdown timers. It's insane. Alright, let me go back because that's not what I want. Dividers, dynamic dates, features blocks. File downloads, guarantee boxes, hyperlinks. I'm looking for a video, insert a video. Progress bars, you know, where it says you've gotten here. Q&A, social sharing. Did I already pass it, guys? Testimonials. Oh, here we go. Video player. Now I can even do one of those pop-up screens that blacks out the background and it pops up the video. But for time's sake, I'm running out of time here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select YouTube, and I'm going to paste, right click and paste the video in here. I like to hide this, and I'm going to click insert. And right away here I'm going to go over to the right because I'm coming up on 15 minutes. I'm going to click publish. Okay, and very quickly I'm going to go back. Hopefully I can do this before the page ends. And I'm going to end this video by showing it to you, and we'll see you on the next video. And here it is, guys. Okay, so we'll see you next time. And we'll get the next one and the next content up. Take care.